Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about Square. Square is a POS point of sale system for small businesses, which does provide a huge convenience as compared to the proper credit card terminals that you get from the banks. So this makes it much easier. You simply, apply for it, you get the merchandise, and you set it up with your bank, and your transactions start coming into Square, and then you can transfer them over to your bank account very easily. So you have two conveniences with Square that you can keep your money on Square and use a Square debit card, or you can transfer your funds over to your business account or your bank account, personal or business. However, you set it up for yourself. So it is a very convenient thing overall for a lot of small business owners who do not want to get into the hassle of getting a proper terminal or having to be a big company. So along with the conveniences, it also comes with a lot of, pros and cons when it comes down to their fees and other things. And now Square is also offering loans. So my main emphasis today is on Square loans for small business owners specifically. So Square basically, you know, monitors your business activity with them for whatever time criteria they have set for an individual to qualify. And then after that, they start offering you with certain amounts of loans. And they make it really easy sounding for an individual that, hey, no report, it's not going to be reported to the credit bureau, it's not going to affect your credit or anything like that. So you're a business owner and you're steady with business with Square, so they offer you a loan. And then obviously being a small business owner, you always need money for your expenses or maybe some kind of expansion, or you maybe want to buy some inventory. There are several different things. So it's an easy catch to, fall into the trap. So it goes on from there. But to cut the long story short, Square basically has a processing fee of 2.6% each transaction, and they charge you 10 cents per manual contactless transaction. And then they have a 49.99 subscription fee. And then if you receive a loan from them, for example, so they're going to tell you in the beginning in the fine print that, hey, it's going to be $650 or $57 every 2 months. So if you break it down, it comes out to about 350, $360 for a month. If you're a business owner, if you are into that kind of rolling, it seems and sounds very convenient. Hey, it's $350 or so. I can maybe afford it because that's how they give you the ballpark number. And then they also tell you on the other hand that there will be 21.26 or some figure like that on your daily transaction, or on your daily business. So including all of these amounts, $50 a month just for 49.99 just for your service fee, and 2.6% on every transaction. And then after the loan, it goes up to about 21% some change. So you're talking about good 25% approximately out of your business just to Square right there, which becomes really shady by the end of the time when you actually calculate it and the amount of money you end up paying them. 20% is right there, 25% is right there, and then almost $50 for their service fees every month. So you did a $500 business, you end up giving 25% to them right there and then, just like that, which becomes really crazy. And a lot of people have been complaining that they are not even left with any kind of money because they basically, first of all, lower you into with $650 figure every 2 months, and they give you an 18-month loan term. And the way they take your money out is just impossible for them to complete the 18-month loan term. It comes out to about maybe 9 months or so. They already got your money back from you. So please be careful in the future when you get an offer from Square and you go for the loan. And then when you start talking to them about to the customer service or whoever it is, and then they give you all kinds of ridiculous math, which is not even understandable for a common mind, like 1/18th of the money. It's just very hard to understand, when you talk to them or you converse with them back and forth, that, hey, this is not what I signed up for. This is not what you guys said. This is not how it seemed. So it becomes really critical to deal with them. And then you're obviously stuck. And the $650 figure is when you are low on business, which is not written anywhere in their fine print or any statement or any terms and conditions at all. That figure is when your business goes below a certain point or you're not doing well with your business. That's when they say, like, okay, you know what, we'll take $650 every 2 months from the business, or they will directly take it out of your bank account. That's what they try to do. But the regular term is 21 point some change percent on your daily sales, your daily business, which obviously is not really all that affordable for a small business owner at all. Because if you go with a proper loan or whatever, they have very different loan terms and very different APRs. And they give you quite a bunch of time, a bit of time, and the loan amount stays the same every month. It's one-time payment. Not you did $700 in a day. You made $700 in a day, and there's going to be 21 percent on that. Or you did $300. There's 21% on that every day. And then the way they take the money out is also very ridiculous to understand. They say like, oh, it's timed or it's every day cap or something. Is just very difficult to understand. And once you start the loan with them, you will start seeing all these different kind of amounts, which you will absolutely not understand. And when you go back to them, and they will be like, this is what it is and that is what it is. They basically cut and paste the text from the website, and they just send it over to you. And if you're going to make a little bit of fuss, hey, it's not affordable or it's not working out for me and this, that, the other, they will say like, oh, yeah, okay. So, we will do 10% for a month. I mean, for a month is nothing. A month is nothing at all. You got to go another 8 to 9 months or 10 months or 18 months, the way they say, with them to, pay the loan back. It's very convenient to get the loan from them, but actually that's not the right picture. No, that's not the true picture. So please be careful.